party.
Don't worry, people. You're gonna have your own Santa at home. Early Christmas.
Daddy, it's right here.
Yeah, she's making them white. I know.
He's gonna really look like Santa.
Yeah. Then I just need to go get a fake belly. I'm good.
Just eat some food. Eat till you're fat.
I tried that. It didn't work.
Didn't work?
It didn't work with 2 kids. I'm always on the run. So every time I eat, it just goes away. What's your price range for birthdays?
It's a $175 for up to 20 kids and $5 for each additional person after 20.
Yeah. Well, for how many hours?
Just until the party, until they've...
Yeah.
I don't really like to do it by the hour. Oops, you okay?
Yeah.
Whatever that was, I don't need it, probably. Whatever it was, it's gone.
Gonna grab some food after?
Bringing out the Santa in you now.
Nice.
You're like, yes.
I see everybody. Everybody's like looking at me this way.
That's right. Everyone's looking at you now.
They're like, what's wrong with this kid? I knew he was weird, but now he's even weirder. Emma, you gonna be a painter like her? She loves drawing.
Oh, good girl.
You change your mind? What? I can't hear you,
You
Mama.
don't want to be an artist when you grow up? You can be a hairstylist?
Well, you're gonna have a lot of options.
That's right. Here, where'd she go? Come in here with Daddy and let's get a picture of you two together. Come here. You
come
sit
sit.
with Daddy. Come here, you. Get right in there. Get up there. What? Here, put your head with Santa.